business valuation and what types of takeaways potentially could like the average retail investor take from kind of like that type of like the valuation, discussion that we had? Is there any takeaways that you could recommend, for someone who's a retail investor and maybe looking at maybe making an investment decision, and regardless of maybe what industry or what business they're looking at, but what type of takeaways they could take?
I mean, quite broadly, I'll just say make sure that you understand the business that you're investing in. A lot of people invest based on fads and trends. I would say never invest in something you don't understand. You need to understand where the money is coming from. So not only the revenues, right? But you need to understand how the company makes its profit. That's what I say in terms of understanding the basics of business valuation, understand where the revenues come from, understanding where profits come from. And do you think those revenues and profits will be sustainable in the long term? Of course, you could get into other things like, okay, so do you trust the team? The team involved there, do you think that's a sustainable competitive advantage and all those other things? But yeah, at a rudimentary level, understand where the revenue and profits coming from, and make sure that you're comfortable that they will be there in the long term.